This is the morning of day number 6. We are in Rotorua and at a bed and breakfast. It's about 6:30 in the morning, very misty, nice place. When everybody gets up, they'll serve us some breakfast. Then at 7:30 we'll go out and feed the farm animals. We have 5 acres of land here. Last night we had homemade brewed liqueurs. They pride themselves as having the only bar at a bed and breakfast. The couple, Teresa and Mick, come from the UK. And today, less than 10 will go fishing, fly fishing.
Andrew, where are we? Where are we? Are we in the city or on the farm?
We are at a farm.
Oh, in what country? New? Good job. And what's your favorite part, Ben? Going here? What do you like about it?
What are we going to do after breakfast?
Are we going to feed someone?
Animals.
Oh, yeah. Popo, what's your favorite part?
Well, this is a homemade breakfast. Fresh bread, fresh raspberries from the garden, and nice company.
They're in your yogurt.
Rhubarb too.
Homemade bread.
And maybe.
I'm gonna try this rhubarb.
Hey. Bon appetit. Okay, good. Okay, mix.
You might go back to the.
Can we go down now?
Once you finish breakfast, you can go feed the animals.
Another one for any more. It's just.
Okay. Say hi to Popes. Look at Popes.
Trying to tidy up small.
Popes! Popes! You don't want to say hi to Popes? You don't want to keep crying? Why?
Here we go. Okay, come. Let's go. Come on. Good morning, girls.
Well, here is the piece.
Pull your pants up.
It's poopy.
You're going to eat them with my hand.
No. But if you bend down, they'll be able to eat them. So you bend down like this. Here,
I want them.
Mammy's enjoying this.
They say thank you.
Yeah, these are thank you.
Is that Lady Goo or Baby Goo?
Oh, May here. Yeah.
Wow.
This
No,
is Lady
May,
Gaga. The
don't-
white one is Lady
Don't
Gaga.
grab
So
their
you,
head, May.
you have Lady Gaga, and that's Dora. Dora the Explorer.
Oh, which one's Dora?
Dora's the one with the purple ring on her shoulder.
Uh-oh, May.
So
May.
that's Dora. And this is Miss America. Look at her. Isn't she beautiful?
Yes.
This is the free enterprise you're shooting with
Oh, Baby Goo Goo.
May, why did you grab
Only
their
have to
head?
be.
She wants to grab their head.